The Eco Channel by SparkZone Studios. World Nature Conservation Day video. World Nature Conservation Day falls yearly on 28th July. This day is celebrated to create awareness about natural resources and to encourage people to protect them. Natural resources are being depleted because of us humans. This is because we are consuming natural resources far faster than they can recover. This will cause more deforestation, more habitats become inhabitable, and more animals become extinct. We can still stop this if we start now. How can we help to save the environment? 1. Replace non-renewable sources of energy with renewable sources of energy. 2. Plant trees to avoid soil erosion. 3. Conserve water. 4. Reduce, reuse, and recycle waste. 5. Carpool. 6. Use less plastics. 7. Use less paper. 8. Save electricity. 9. Avoid wasting food. 10. Take more public transport. 11. Spread the importance of sustainable development. Last but not least, 12. Encourage your friends and family to do so too. You can help to save our environment with these 12 simple tips. Thank you for watching this video and helping to save the environment.